Welcome to Scriptures Step by Step. We walk through the Bible together. Today, we focus on Genesis chapter 1, verse 4. This verse raises real-life questions. Where does true light come from? Why does God allow darkness? Can God bring light into my life today? This verse is part of the creation story. We are building an understanding of God from the very first chapter. We will read the verse, explore its meaning, dive deeper, and discuss its importance today. Finally, we'll recap with a simple prayer. Now, let's read Genesis chapter 1 verse 4 together. And God saw the light, that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. Let's repeat it in another translation. God saw the light was good, and separated it from darkness. This comes after, let there be light. It's key in understanding God's creation. What is happening in this verse? God looks at His creation. He calls the light good. God makes a separation between light and darkness. Think of light as safety and darkness as uncertainty. God's first act brings light into chaos. So, what is this verse saying? God sees the goodness of light and establishes its separation from darkness. Now, let's explore the verse deeper. When God says, He saw the light, that it was good, it signifies His evaluation. God defines what is truly good. Creation is intentional, not random. Everything is known and judged by Him. Next, God divided the light from darkness, bringing order. Where there was confusion, God created boundaries. Light represents God's presence and guidance, while darkness symbolizes sin and separation. This shows us God's character. He is good, orderly, and aware of His creation's separation. What does this mean for our lives today? Many feel they are in darkness. This can manifest as confusion, shame, or fear. Genesis chapter 1 verse 4 reminds us God brings light into these dark places. When God shines His light in our hearts, He reveals truths. He separates us from harmful patterns and guides us. For example, someone unsure about their future finds peace through prayer. Another person struggling with guilt experiences God's forgiveness and change. God's light, even when revealing, brings goodness. Genesis chapter 1 verse 4 is foundational in the whole Bible story. Light and darkness themes carry on through the scriptures. God leads Israel with a pillar of fire. Psalms celebrate God as light. Prophets call people from darkness. Jesus calls Himself the light of the world. This early separation helps us understand holiness, judgment, and salvation. Revelation paints a scene without night, where God is light, connecting Genesis to the end of the Bible. Let's recap our discussion. Genesis chapter 1 verse 4 shows God recognizing light's goodness. God separates light from darkness, demonstrating order and clear distinction. This reveals God's goodness and His ability to bring light into our lives. Reflect on the areas of your life that feel dark or confusing. Ask God to shine His light there. Let's lead a simple prayer together. Repeat after me, God, help me walk in your light. Separate me from darkness in my thoughts and habits. Show me the goodness of your light through Jesus. Thank you for joining Scriptures Step by Step as we explore Genesis chapter 1 verse 4. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.